And my name is Dorcas Jogbodo and my business name is Bain Me Josh Couture. So today I'm going to be taking you through the video of how to sew the sutana, the Celestial Church of Christ sutana. So I'm going to take you through the video. Watch out for my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. This is the measurement we will be working on. This is the sutana material. So I'll measure the person's measurement, which is 58 inches. Then I'm adding 4 inches to it. That's the extra sewing allowance that we're going to fold in at the down. Then I'll fold it into 2 like this and into 4 places. So the person's measurement is 39 inches for the chest. So that's 9 3/4. I added 1 inch sewing allowance to it. So the person's length is 58 inches, just like I said earlier. So I added 4 inches. That's 60 inches. You might add up to that, you might not add up to that. It depends on the person's material. But I prefer adding 3 inches so that by the time I fold it in, I'll fold ½ inch in. So I'm cutting it out now. So that's the shoulder, which is 9 inches. And the neck, I'm making the neck 2.5 inches, while the length is 4 inches, because I don't want it too wide. So I'm going to slant it, while this is 1 inch. 1 inch, you can do 1/4 inch. So I'll slant it like this. While the armhole, I'll make it 10.5 inches. So I'll curve it. You can use a French curve, or you can do it with your hand if you are expert at it. So this is the flap part. The flap part. So that's 51.5, but I'll make it 52 inches when I'm cutting out the flap. So this is the half length, which is 18 inches. Then I'll notch it out. That is where the pocket will be. So mind you, I did not cut it. That shoulder part must be together. You must not cut it. Don't forget. So this is the sleeve part. The sleeve part. So I folded it into 4 places. Then I'll fold the band part inside. So this band part, I'll make it 3.5 inches. That's the wideness. You might make it longer than that. You might make it not as wide as that. So it depends on what you want. So the sleeve length is 26 inches. Then I added 1 inch to it. 1 inch to it. That's the sewing allowance. So I'm going to draw a chalk, that's to make it a straight line. I just want to show you how the sleeve is being done. So I'll measure 4 inches. 4 inches. I measured 4 inches now. Then you're going to curve that 4 inches to the upper part of the sleeve. That's 4 inches. You curve it to the upper part. So this is 12 inches for the round sleeve. So that's 6 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. That's 7. So I'll be curving this out. You'll not draw a straight line. You have to curve it. So you can use a French curve to do that, so that you get a perfect curve. So I just finished cutting it out, and mind you, the wideness is 12 inches. So I'm cutting it out like this. So don't forget to notch the middle, and this other part too, notch it, so that when you're joining it, it will be easy for you. So this is the flap. This is the flap part. I folded it into two like this. So I'm going to fold it in a slant way like this. So don't forget that we did 51 and half for the flap part. That's the length, which I said we would do it as 52 inches. So this down part is 8 inches. Don't forget the down part. When you are cutting clothes, don't forget to look at the down part so that it doesn't pass like this now. So I had to shift it up a little bit so that the down part will not be affected. So don't forget the wideness of the down part is 8 inches. So make sure you pin it down so that it doesn't shift. So I'm measuring the flap length now, which is 52 inches. 52 inches. So I'll cut it out. Make sure you pin it down so that it doesn't shift. Don't forget. So I've cut it out. Then make sure you arrange it very well. Make sure it doesn't shift. Then separate the two from each other. This is the pocket. So I measured the wideness as 9 inches, while the length will be 15 inches. So I'll cut it out. That's it for the pocket. So now I'm cutting out the facing. So I'll just copy it out, like chalk it out exactly like the neck. Then I'll add 4 inches all around. 4 inches all around. Don't forget I folded the facing into 4 places. Make sure the down part, just like I said earlier, make sure the down part is not short before you cut it out. This is the end of the tutorial for the cutting. So watch my next video to check out the sewing of the sutana. So this out for my next video. Make sure you subscribe and like my video. Thank you.